Confused about the differences between the XH2 and XH2S? Both camera bodies are identical, and even the menus are 99.9% identical. The main difference is in the sensor. The XH2 houses a 40 megapixel sensor, which can be further increased to 120 megapixels using pixel shift multi-shot drive mode. You can record 8K video, downsample that 8K to a high-quality 4K, and take advantage of a digital zoom feature. The XH2S features a stacked 26 megapixel sensor. This design gives the XH2S much faster readout speeds, with blackout-free burst shooting of up to 40 frames per second. These speeds also improve autofocus tracking on moving subjects, and it has a much more reduced rolling shutter effect during video recording. No matter which one you end up with, you can learn all about how to use them for photography in my XH2 and XH2S tutorial courses at photocourses.link/XH2.